In this video, we are going to take a look at the OneDrive connector in Designer applications. Here, we have an order entry application that can capture the user information and order details and save that data. Let's now add a OneDrive connector into this application. With this connector, you can send documents generated in print processes into a predefined OneDrive folder. To do this, first go into the Designer interface and then select the connectors module. Here, click the OneDrive connector and then give it a friendly name. The path option doesn't show anything at this point, and the connector hasn't been authorized. Click Authorize, enter your details for OneDrive access, and allow access by SpreadsheetWEB. Now that our connector is ready, we can go ahead and create a print process and generate the file to be sent to OneDrive. For this, go to the Events menu and select Print. Select the properties as you would in a print process. And finally, select the friendly name of your connector from the OneDrive connector dropdown. Next, make sure that the file to be used in the print process contains the necessary name range mappings and activate those fields. Finally, go to the User Interface Designer and select the Action button that is to trigger this action. Add the print process with the OneDrive connector enabled into the button settings and press Submit. Now, when a user enters their details and presses the Submit button, the system will save that data, create a PDF export file, and also send that export file into the predetermined OneDrive folder.